Do you constantly feel lethargic or low on energy? Do you know an inactive or slow metabolism might be the reason behind your weight gain? Now, you might ask if there is a way out. Is it possible to speed up a naturally slow metabolism or rev up one that has become slow or inactive over time? The answer is yes. Today in Homeveda, I am going to tell you about a quick and easy homemade remedy that regulates your metabolism and helps in weight loss. For this, you will need the following ingredients: raw apple cider vinegar and a glass of water. So all you have to do is take a glass of water and now take raw apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a wholly ingredient easily available in our kitchens that can help us to increase our metabolism and actively burn calories. Apple cider vinegar isn't likely to be effective for weight loss. Proponents of apple cider vinegar claim that it has numerous health benefits and that drinking a small amount or taking a supplement before meals helps curb appetite and burn fat. Stir it well, and now you can have it. I've just had a sip, but make sure that you drink it every morning on your empty stomach. A magical ingredient, apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. It helps in weight loss, reduces cholesterol and lowers blood sugar levels. Now that we know how we can boost up a slow metabolism, let us understand what metabolism really is. Metabolism is the internal process by which your body expends energy and burns calories. It runs 24/7 to keep your body moving even when you are resting or sleeping by converting the food and nutrients you consume into the energy your body needs in order to breathe, circulate blood, grow and repair cells, and everything else it does to survive. Now I must inform you that this homemade remedy will not just work alone. To boost your metabolism, you need to do a couple of things such as stay active, build and maintain body muscle mass, eat smaller meals throughout the day, drink enough water, avoid gluten-free diets, and don't fast or starve yourself. Studies have shown that caffeine in coffee can help temporarily boost metabolism. If your goal is weight loss, several studies have found that coffee's effects on metabolism and fat burning may contribute to successful weight loss and maintenance. Green tea has been shown to increase metabolism and burn fat. However, while all our homemade remedies have been verified by our in-house doctor, I still believe that these should not be used as a substitute for direct medical advice from your doctor or other qualified clinicians. So how are you burning those extra calories? Have you made any changes to your lifestyle yet? Let us know your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such interesting homemade remedies.